Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to send a friend request on Instagram. So first thing that you will do is open up the Instagram app and just simply go to your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen, and from here just tap on the three lines on the top right, and after that just simply go to your activity over here, and now just simply scroll down to the bottom and tap on download your information, and from here just simply go ahead and tap on download or transfer information, and from here just simply select your Instagram account and tap on next, and now from here just simply tap on some of your information, and now from here guys just simply scroll down and just simply select over here followers and following and tap on next, and after that just simply download to device and tap on next, and from here you can choose a date range over here, so it will be depending on you, and you can change the format as well. And now from here make sure the notify is on the right email address and tap on create files. So guys, now once it is available for download, you should be able to download it over here. So just simply tap on download, and after that, you might want to provide your password or log into your Instagram account again. And from there, guys, just simply open up the file. And from there, guys, once you open up the file, you should be able to see over there connections. And after that, just simply tap on followers and following. And from there, guys, you should be able to see their recent follow request, and from there you should be able to see it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.